Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about lunaelondon.com website where you can purchase different kinds of dresses, shoes, and there are so many product available. Okay, so you should buy any product on this website or not, and what are the major problems? So the first problem of this you can say website, images. The images they have used all are generated by AI. Okay, and if we talk about like other problems, and the basic problem is like website you can like listed on Trustpilot, and they have only one review 20 hour ago, and this is a very negative review. Okay, why they have negative reviews? Because the website is a dropshipping, and they don't have any kind of inventory. So you can see over here the same website is also selling same kind of shoes, and the same website is also selling the same kind of shoes, and there is a one more website, and there is one more website. So they are all selling same kind of shoes, or you can say the product is same and each and everything is same. So how is this possible? So basically they don't have any kind of inventory, they are using only images, and when you place your order, your money will be deducted from your account, but you will not get your product. If you get the product, the quality of the product is totally waste of money, and when you try to get your money back, it's impossible to getting your money back. It's a very hard process to getting your money back, to returning a product. Okay, so these are the issues. Now you can make your own decision. And if we talk about like the website age, the website is also very new. Okay, so newly launched websites maybe disappear from internet anytime, so there is also no guarantee. So if you have any experience with this website, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.